Hi, Dennis Ray here. Your new computer came with Microsoft Office, and you've been loving it. But now it's playing hardball, demanding payment for the license. So what's your next move? You could fork over some serious cash to keep it or explore alternative Office suites. Look no further. The ultimate Microsoft Office replacement is Softmaker Office. In this video, we dive into the free and the two premium versions of Softmaker Office. The three Office suites have the same applications. They are TextMaker, the word processor very much like Microsoft Office Word. PlanMaker, which is a spreadsheet app the same as Microsoft Excel. Presentations for making slides like Microsoft PowerPoint, and Basic Maker, which can make databases the same as Microsoft Access. Also, there's an app to install the suite to a USB, making it portable to use on any other PC. During the install, you have a choice of user interfaces, either with the ribbon in white and red, or white or dark, or a classic menu and toolbar with white or a dark look. First, let's talk about Softmaker's FreeOffice. This is the website where you can download the app, and I'll put a link for this in the description below. You can download this for Windows, Mac, Linux, iPhones, and Android. And here's the link to download it, or for other operating systems. And below that, a little bit of information that you can take a look at. FreeOffice is free for personal use and for businesses. And if you want to see more about it, you can hit this link. And this will take you to this page where you can peruse and read at your own convenience. First, let's talk about FreeOffice Suite. It is cost-free, so there is no cost for license or subscription fees for personal or business use. It has a user-friendly interface with ribbons, with classical menus or toolbars. It's highly compatible with Microsoft Office. It has its own formats, but it also works with the newer Microsoft Office formats or the older formats too. It will open them or save them. And it also works with open document formats. I've done some tests with some other Office suites in Microsoft Office, and I found FreeOffice to be the most compatible with Microsoft Office. Cross-platform availability. FreeOffice works with Windows, Mac, or Linux. It's fast and lightweight. The apps in FreeOffice Suite are known for their speed and efficiency, even on older hardware. It has PDF export capability, so it can export your documents to PDF format within each application. For devices with touch screens, FreeOffice offers a dedicated touch mode. It has larger icons and wider spacing, so it's easier to use with touch screens. And FreeOffice has tabbed document interface, so you can open up multiple documents in tabs in the same window, kind of like a web browser, making it easy to switch between documents. I wanted to remind you to like and subscribe. Hit the Ray Gun logo button below or the subscribe button. Then don't forget the thumbs up button to like, and it's a done deal. Last night's spaghetti. Next, let's talk about Softmaker Office 2024. Softmaker Office 2024 is not free and is one of the company's proprietary programs, so you must pay for a license to use it. This is the website where you can download the Office suite, but if you hit the order button, it will take you to where you can only order a key for their Softmaker Office NX suite, which is a subscription-based program. There is no Softmaker Office 2025, So it looks like the company is concentrating on development and selling the NX suite. You can, however, order the Office 2024 software and key through Amazon, Walmart.com, Staples Online, and other places. The cost is around $90 for the standard edition and around $130 for the professional edition. Now that's a bargain compared to Microsoft Office Suite, starting at around $150 for the home edition. There isn't much information available for the Softmaker Office 2024 at this site, indicating that they want you to take a look at the NX edition instead. But we'll go through some of the features of the 2024 edition. Also, I'll put a link for this website in the description below. If you go down here, this is a link to download the suite, and then you should take a look at this. Note that the key for 2024 product can only be used for the 2024 suite, and the NX key can only be used on the NX edition. Softmaker Office 2024 builds on the strong foundation of FreeOffice and has a lot of advanced features, and I got a long list in front of me here, but I can't go through all these, but I'll go through some of the more important ones. Now, FreeOffice does have a spell check, but Office 2024 has commercial grade spell checking and a thesaurus. It has a tabbed interface that can be docked, undocked, and rearranged for improved multitasking. The ribbon interface is fully customizable, and that allows you to tailor it to your specific workflow. Softmaker Office 2024 has a PDF export, so it can export documents to a PDF format. It has a full screen mode, which is very nice for working without distractions. Office 2024 has a share command, so you can add documents to emails and share with other documents in other Windows applications. It has WebP image support, so you can insert images with the modern WebP format. And Softmaker Office 2024 features an enhanced dark mode, which I really like. You can make the background dark and the document dark too. And documents are saved in a way that preserves the file attributes like compressed and icon position on the desktop and owner. I should mention too that Softmaker Office 2024 has the same apps as FreeOffice, the Text Maker, Plan Maker, Presentations. Also, it has Basic Maker, which is a database app, and that's for Windows only. And each of those have their own advanced features. Next, we'll talk about Softmaker Office NX, the subscription-based Office suite. The look and feel is very much like Softmaker Office 2024, but with a few more features. Since it is a subscription service, that means that you receive regular updates with new features, improvements, and the latest versions of the software, as long as your subscription is active. So, for instance, if you had Softmaker Office 2024 and they had a new Softmaker Office 2025, you'd have to buy the new version. But with a subscription service, your Office always stays current. NX Office can be run on 5 different computers, as well as different operating systems, like Windows, Mac OS, Linux, iOS, and Android. NX Office integrates DeepL, a highly regarded translation service, so it will translate certain documents into selected languages. And the subscription often includes a certain character limit per year for translations. It also has Chat GPT integration, the AI, and that allows you to generate text based on your prompts, and to summarize long writings, get suggestions to improve your writing. But also, there is an annual character limit for the AI usage. NX Office can integrate with Zotero, a popular citation and reference management software. When using it on iOS and Android, there's a mobile app with it that you can use the full functionality of a desktop Office suite. That was a look at the 3 versions of Softmaker Office. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Take care. Bye.